Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be spring cleaning my living room. This room doesn't get used very often, maybe twice a week, and I love to take a nap on that couch. So that's about it, but I like to give it a good cleaning, and especially I will be decorating it for the summer very soon now that the Easter's done. And that kind of stays, that decor stays till about end of September when I switch it to fall. So first thing I like to do is add some essential oil, so with a spring scent, so it smells really nice. And then I take out the curtains and give them a wash. So I will be using the Method all-purpose cleaner and a pink grapefruit scent. I love this one. Method window cleaner, and this is in a mint scent. I don't think it actually comes in any other. A Method wood polish. I am almost all out. I did go out to buy a new one, but they didn't have it, so I just picked up Pledge. And then just some rags. There's a polishing cloth, microfiber cloth, an old towel, and a kitchen cloth. And some paper towels in case for the windows. Sometimes I find they work best. And I'm also gonna use my Norwex dusting wand and my Dyson stick vacuum. So I will stop talking now and let the video show you what I'm doing. Sometimes on the windows there's a little bit of a mold or mildew buildup because of on the windows, yes, because there's too much moisture, and when it gets really cold outside the windows sweat a little bit, so the condensation. So I use this. I did use a product from Norwex, I just have not reordered it, so I put this one up. I just want to make sure that it has a bit of bleach because that will get rid of it. the opportunity to hang up the curtains to dry outside. I actually washed the dining room curtains as well. So that's it, the room is done. Once the curtains dry, I will put it back together. Same with the light fixture. I think I'm gonna have to go get another light bulb because we don't have any before I do that. And so I did not vacuum or wash the floor because tonight every day I have to vacuum because of the dog. So instead of vacuuming twice, I'll just have my children vacuum it after dinner, and then I wash the floors. So today's Thursday and I'll be washing the floors tomorrow anyway, so what's the point of doing it twice? And I will have to wash it tomorrow regardless, so even if I washed it today. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and hopefully this inspired you to do some of your spring cleaning.